Heavy-duty steel structure with special heat treatment process for better stability and lower noise. Simple control system for easy operation. For frequency conversion, box make it convenient for users to adjust the feed rate according to the workpiece surface quality, highly improve the production efficiency.